How to add Google Drive to your File Explorer. Although most people use Google Drive by opening it in an internet browser, Google also offers a downloadable Google Drive app. Installing this app and setting it up will add Google Drive to your File Explorer. First, download the Google Drive app. Once the installation file downloads, double-click on File Launching Installer. It will show options. Please select the option you want, and then select Install. When Google Drive successfully installed, select Launch, and then select Get Started. And click the Sign In. It'll open an internet browser where you can log into your Google account, and choose an account to continue to Google Drive for desktop. And click the Sign In. Google Drive app will ask you to choose folders to sync from your computer to Drive. You can select the option you want by clicking the checkbox. Or you can choose to skip if you don't want to select anything. Google Drive app can back up photos and videos to Google Photos. You can choose folders to back up to Google Photos by clicking the checkbox. Or you can add folder by yourself, and then click Next, or you can choose to skip if you don't want to select anything. Your Drive files are just a click away in File Explorer. Your files will show up in File Explorer without taking up hard drive space, and then select Next, and then select Open Drive. Wait a moment for the app to connect. Once it does, a new location will appear in File Explorer. Click on this drive to view your entire Google Drive library inside of the File Explorer window. You can open, move, or delete files in this window. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you.